Okay, this is the third installment right here of the Kirby's. You can see. Let's see if we can get it to pick up the dirt that's on the rug right here. First off, before I even do that, I'm gonna lock this, and then I want to start it up. It's a lot, you know, it's like a self-propelled lawnmower. I don't know if you can see it, but I pulled it back because it was really, that road's catching up on me on there. It's not making it real nice to that piece. And then you can lift it back up. Oh, up would be like this. And you keep it back up. And then look at the accessories that's involved with this one. The accessory kit, Avlar. Oh, I meant to look at the model number on the bottom of that. Let's see, I'm sure it's probably the same model as those others. This is the third one. It's a little cleaner than the others. It does have hair in it right there. It's a G10D. I might have said D10 earlier, but it's a G10D. Avlar, Kirby. These attachments don't appear to have been used that much on this one. You got that piece there. You got an extension hose with the crevice tool on it. You got your, see, it's even got the spray bottle sprayer. You can tell the hardwood floor cleaner hadn't been used. It's got the, looks like a shampoo accessory. Not sure what that piece is. If you see it here, it's included. There's a short piece, extension. Look at that little tool. There's another one. There's a turbo. That looks like that's been used a little. There's a little dust on that, but it's still really clean. This one is really clean. Don't look like they used the accessories as much as they did on that other one I was showing earlier. But they all go back in there, and I'll put it all back in the box. Just wanted to show you this Kirby right here. So this is this one. This is the third one that we have.